Crypto trading is powerful, but chaotic. You need 5 tabs open, 3 wallets connected, and a spreadsheet just to track what you've got. Swapping assets across Ethereum, Solana, BNB Chain, Polygon, and more? Usually a nightmare. Bitnun OS fixes all of that. It's one dashboard, 6 chains, full control. In this video, I'll show you how it works and how it saves you time and gas fees. Let's start with the dashboard. Once you log into Bitnun OS, you land on a unified interface showing your wallet balance across 6 chains: Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, and Arbitrum. Prices, tokens, recent trades, everything in one view. You can connect multiple wallets or use the built-in Bitnun wallet. No juggling tabs or extensions. This is trading reimagined. Now, let's make some trades. First, I'm swapping ETH on Ethereum to SOL on Solana. Bitnun handles the bridging, fee conversion, and confirmation, all in one click.
Done.
Next, I swap that SOL to BNB on Binance Smart Chain. Again, one-click conversion, instant routing, no chain switching headaches. That's the power of cross-chain liquidity in one interface. Normally, doing that same trade across 3 chains could rack up $40 to $100 in gas and bridge fees, not to mention time and error risk. Bitnun OS optimizes routing using its internal swap engine, cutting down costs by up to 70%. And with dynamic fee visibility, you always know what you're paying before you click. Bitnun OS isn't just for trading, it's also a portfolio command center. Track your total net worth across all 6 blockchains. Get real-time charts for token value, historical trades, and gas spend. Filter by chain, asset, or category. It's built for both DeFi pros and beginners, whether you hold 5 coins or 50. Bitnun OS is changing how crypto is traded. No more switching tools, no more copy-pasting wallet addresses, no more costly mistakes. Just one dashboard, 6 chains, and total control. Try it for yourself at bitnun.org and trade smarter today for just $4.99 a month.